Greetings and welcome to the Prosperous Musician. My name is Spence, and in this video I'm going to show you Group 82 Music University and why I think it's one of the best music marketing courses online at the moment. And if you stick around to the end, there's a very special offer just for you. Are you ready? Let's go. I was looking everywhere to try and find how to monetize my music. There's lots of information out there. There's lots of courses, lots of gurus, lots of YouTube videos you can watch. However, they don't seem to go into enough depth. And a lot of the people who are doing these music marketing videos, have no real accolades or experience. They're just regurgitating what they've heard on somebody else's course. They haven't actually achieved anything themselves. So I wanted to follow someone who actually has done that. And I was tearing my hair out. I was spending hours, wasting hours and hours and hours trying to find all this information for free, putting it all together on YouTube and trying to make my own plan. Now, if you've ever tried to do that, have you tried to do that? Well, you can do it after a while, but it takes so many hours to do it. And you don't get one person on there who does it all the way through for nothing. At some point you have to go online and get the course, which is eventually what I did after wasting a lot of time. Still, it went on and on. I flip-flopped from different courses to different courses, mainly because I didn't think that the person who was teaching them could teach very well. So many months later, in fact years later, I discovered Dorian from Group 82. Now, the reason why this is significant is because of what I just said before. Not only has he done what he talks about, that he's actually achieved the things that he teaches, he actually puts it in a way which is very easy. No bullshit, no fluff, just straight in there, tells you how it is, very direct. Now, this might offend some people who want a bit of fluff and a bit of flannel, but not me. I want to get straight into it. So this is why, these are the three reasons why Group 82 University is, I think, one, I'm not saying it is the best, but it's certainly definitely up there in the music marketing courses. Now, everyone's view is subjective, but I'm just going to show you a few of the features on here which I think are worth looking at. And if you just jump straight on here, you will see this is the website here. What I like about this is because Dorian is a former basketball coach, right? So he has this kind of natural, I think, he has this kind of natural authority. He has a way of communicating which is motivating because he's experienced in motivating a team. So he's divided his course into 6 games, and each game, as it says here, consists of 4 quarters to give 24 actions in the course. So the game 1, you've got 4 questions, 4 videos in each game. Okay, so that makes sense. That the way, to me anyway, that lays it out in an easy to understand way. I don't follow basketball personally. I'm more of a football fan or a soccer fan if you're in the UK. So this kind of way doesn't really mean much to me, but I like the way he's actually segmented it because, again, playing to his strengths, it goes through in a very logistical way, in a very sort of systematic way. So the first one is introduction. Now, if how to find your target audience. Now, any marketing, I'll tell you this for nothing, any marketing course will always start. If you're taking any marketing course, if it doesn't start with this, then forget it because they don't know what they're talking about. Any marketing course has to start with the market, understanding your market. Now, they might write it in different ways, like here, introduction to your audiences, how to find your target audience. But really, you can substitute this word audience for market, okay? Because this is marketing, but in the realm of music. So obviously you're using the word audience because that's more appropriate. Basically, marketing can be boiled down into 3 categories, very simply. The market, then comes the message, and then the media or the medium. And we'll get into that in a minute. So this follows that quite nicely. So you've got the market or your audience, how to discover your brand. So he talks about strategies that work here, how to develop post topics in 30 days, how to set up your business if you're just starting in business, if you haven't done that yet, how to set that up and how to hire your team, and then how to engage with your audience. So these are great strategies. And again, this is something that he's had experience with, particularly the live streaming. Dorian has had a lot of early experience with the live streaming. He's also verified on Instagram, so he knows what he's talking about, and he's got over 100K subs on YouTube. So again, he's not just talking the talk. Game 5, how to chart on iTunes. This is one I particularly found interesting. Again, step by step. How to get a million streams on Spotify. Again, very specific. That's what I wanted to share with you today. If you want to check out the course at the moment, and this is another reason why I'm doing the video now, is because it is half price. Now, but if you jump on at the moment, it is just this price here. So there are ways to get into this in a different way. If you haven't got the 997 straight away, you can pay in 4 installments. So you can get started for about £250. Now, if you think about it, if you're thinking about going to university to study business, to study music, do you think they're going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to, on Instagram, YouTube, MailChimp strategies? Do you think they're going to teach you exactly how to get on, how to get over 1 million streams on Spotify? Do you think they're going to know how to chart on iTunes, for example, to get #1? Unlikely, I think. Most universities teach very, very broad-based subjects, and it's up to you to find the research now. So you could save yourself easily here £50,000. This is like 997. If you went to university for 3 years to study marketing, you probably wouldn't come away with most of the knowledge that's in this little course here, and taught by somebody who's actually done it. A lot of lecturers, a lot of teachers in university haven't done it because that's why they're in university. Otherwise, they'd be out there doing it themselves, wouldn't they? So that's another reason why I think this is a great investment. I'm just going to show you a little flavour of how this course will look. So we've got the game 1 here, how to find your target audience. So if this is your first experience of him, this is what you can expect. This is his style. This is the quality.
My name is Dorian from Group82University.com, and right here, I'm going to talk to you about how to find your target audience. When you are a musician, finding your target audience is probably the toughest thing that you can do, because you think because everybody listens to music that they're going to like your music. But that's just not the truth at all. You have to find people that are going to fall in love with you, which makes them fall in love with your music. I want to be the artist. When people listen to Kendrick, they listen to my music too, right? So I was designing my music like that. Where do J. Cole fans hang out? Where do Kendrick Lamar fans hang out? Where do Jay-Z, Nas, Kanye, Ludacris fans hang out? What kind of shoes do they wear? Which social media apps do they use? Which TV stations were they watching? Were they watching CNBC? What schools did they go to? What was their social economic status? These are all the things that I was thinking about. It's the stuff that I'm going to show you throughout the class. Whatever you want it to be, give that person the name, so that way when you are referring to all your marketing stuff, you're like, would Becky do that? Would Jerome listen to that? Would Susan respond to this ad? When you're able to do that, you're able to personify it. It makes it a lot easier. So that is how you find your target audience. So to expound on this point on how to find your target audience throughout this game, I'm going to use an example as if you need $20 for lunch. And I'm going to show you how each target audience would respond to somebody that walked up to them and asked $20 for lunch. I'm out the pond. Y'all stay true. Group82University.com.
That's his kind of style. It's very quick cut. There's lots of humor in there. He's very direct. He's very in your face. That's the kind of style I like. And you can imagine the course all the way through that. It's supplied with PDFs, handouts as well. So by the end of it, you can imagine that you will have learned this stuff. And of course, the beauty of it is you can watch it time and again. Getting the whole course at this price right now is probably the best move to do. So you've got it all there, and you can pick and choose what you want to watch. But I would suggest strongly, if you're new to this, getting in there and watching it all the way from the beginning, step by step, game by game. So if that hasn't convinced you enough, then let me offer you this. If you click on the link down below and order this, get on today and order this. So once you've signed up, once you've paid, send me a screenshot to the link down below. Then I will give you a free stack of goodies. I'll give you some ebooks about YouTube marketing to help you along the way. And I'll also give you 45 minutes of my time. Now, what's that worth? Well, it could be worth a lot of money to you because I am a qualified coach. I have worked with different enterprises. I've worked with self-employed people. I've worked with businesses. I've coached musicians. I've worked with songwriters. I can help you get started. I can be your support guide to get you started on this, help you get your mindset right before you start this course. Because having the tools is one thing, having the mindset and the belief to believe you can achieve these goals, to get millions of streams, to earn money, to be a success on YouTube, to earn six figures plus on music related activities. If all these things are your goals, then I can help you with that. But the answers are inside you. The belief is inside you. I will help you, support you to unlock that. That 45-minute discovery call is completely free. Now that's worth a lot of money. Okay, that's it. That's my gift to you, and look forward to working with you very soon. Be prosperous.